So, Vladimir, Carandang, 21. So, bike check guys. Start as a frame. Skream Magnum, 2022. XS. Itong violet color na murag chameleon. Then, sa cockpit kay Nito na stem, 100mm. Then, Nito 4-thread na handlebars with fan sculpt na grips, waffle grips. Seat post is zip na silver. Then, saddle is Cell San Marco mash. Then, sa drivetrain, halter Apollo na 49 feet, Dura Ace 7710, Octalink 165mm. Then 16P na Sugino Cog, Sugino locking. Tapos Izumi Mash na chain, black silver. And bike PH na strap. The wheel set is DT Swiss na track, DT Swiss UGMC 2024. Tapos DT Swiss na hubs. Then twice na valve cap, web geek. Then top cap na mash donut. Then shout out sa GroupTwo Power Bikes to Swito. Ito lang.